share with you that I'm getting ready to do for my living room. I put this up in my living room. You might want to get some mesh. I got this mesh, this Christmas mesh from Joann's. I love the accent inside of it. Simple. This is a simple project, guys. Sparkle silver. I think it has some sparkles in there. And guys, if you want to keep the sparkles on anything, here's a tip. Go ahead and use hairspray can. They sell at Dollar Tree, and spray any product that have any of your decorations that have sparkles on it, because sometimes it's so irritating. It gets all over the place, all of your clothes, all over the floor. So use some hairspray that keeps it in place, and it helps from making all that mess. Ribbon mesh, one or the other. I got from Joann, I purchased from Joann. It's 70% off, guys. So I pay only like $3 something for this, and it's beautiful, and it's a good amount as well. And I purchased this from Dollar Tree, a glass vase, as well as some Dollar Tree flowers. And all we're gonna do is just stick this on top of this, and then place your flowers in it, and you're good to go. A simple project right there, guys. I'm gonna finish this product up and then show you the end results. Yeah, guys, you just have, all you have to do is cut yourself out a good piece, enough to be able to cover the whole glass, like so, and then tuck this in like that. There's no need to cut out the access piece at the top there. If you want to, you can, but I don't think it's necessary because the flower's gonna be going in there, and you're gonna have one of these, and it's just beautiful. And then add your flowers to it, and you're good to go.